Have you ever wondered about ways to increase your wealth, use it appropriately, and be able to keep it coming for life? Well, gaining wealth for the sake of it isn't wise. However, knowledge about how and when to use it is what makes it worthwhile, according to Dave Ramsey. Ramsey, a famous money expert, has given us 5 key principles for achieving financial success and living a good life. Let's list them out without further ado. Number 1, planning and budgeting. The first principle is all about making a simple and clear financial plan. We call it a budget. It's like sketching a map for your money journey. Without this plan, your finances can quickly get out of control. Think of it as building something without knowing the costs. That's a risky way to go. He talks about zero-based budget, where every penny that is spent is done so with a purpose. When you create a budget, you take the reins of your finances. You decide where your money should go, whether it's for your home, food, savings, or fun. Budgeting helps you live within your means, which means not spending more than you have. It's like a practical tool to keep an eye on your money and make adjustments when needed. It doesn't matter if you have a lot or a little money. Everyone can benefit from budgeting. Whether you're trying to pay off debts or save for the future, making a budget is the very first step. Ramsey talks a lot about having a written budget. This means you jot down your plan on paper. It's a great way to take charge of your money. When you put your budget in writing, you're making a deliberate effort to manage your finances, carefully tracking every dollar you earn and spend. This practice doesn't just bring order into your money world. It also helps you pinpoint areas where you can save more. Over time, your budget acts like a financial GPS. It helps you steer away from unnecessary spending and guides you towards your goals, including saving and investing. It's like having a map of wealth. So whether you're trying to get rid of debts or aim to make your money grow, remember that budgeting is your first powerful tool to get there. Number 2, stay out of debt. The second key idea here is all about managing debt wisely. Debt can be a major roadblock to financial success. When you owe money, you have to use a chunk of your income to pay back loans and credit card balances. The more debt you have, the more you're tied to the people you borrowed from. There's an old saying that really nails this point. The borrower is a slave to the lender. Ramsey is absolutely right when he says that debt is one of the biggest barriers to financial success. It's like you're stuck in a money pit. Managing debt means coming up with a smart plan to pay off the money you owe and making a commitment not to pile on more debt. When you do this, you'll free up the money that you used to spend on interest payments. Instead, you can start putting it into investments or savings. This is a critical step to start building wealth. Getting out of debt might take some discipline and sacrifices, but the rewards are huge. When you're not shackled by debt, you've got more cash to grow your wealth. If you aim to become financially secure or want to get rich, getting rid of debt is a must. So have a strategy to deal with your current debts and swear off taking on new ones. When you free up the money that's not going to interest payments anymore, you'll be able to put it into saving or investing, which is exactly what you need to build your wealth. Number 3, maintain quality relationships. An often forgotten element in the journey to wealth is the company we keep. Ramsey hits the nail on the head when it says that the people around us have a massive influence on us, and the quality of your relationships and your associations can greatly affect your financial success. When you're around people who have a positive attitude, are good with money, and are always striving to improve themselves, it's easier to aim for success. These friends can provide inspiration, guidance, and maybe even open doors for you. On the flip side, if you hang out with folks who are careless with money or always negative, they can drag you down of your dreams of financial success. So this principle reminds us that we should be careful about who we spend our time with and who we take advice from. Being around people who've achieved financial success can give you valuable insights and steer you in the right direction on your path to building wealth. Your circle of friends has a big say in how you manage your money. If you're around people who think learning about finances and being responsible with money is essential, those beliefs are likely to rub off on you. But if you're surrounded by folks who blow their cash recklessly, it can be tough to stay disciplined with your own money. This principle is a call to be wise about your friendships and associations, especially when it comes to money. Pick relationships that back your financial goals and dreams. Number 4, save and invest. The fourth principle from Dave Ramsey focuses on the essential of aspects of saving and investing. Wise people understand the significance of saving their money, not just for rainy days, but also for future financial goals, whether it's retiring comfortably or owning a home. Saving serves as a cornerstone for building wealth. In the world of personal finance, there's a popular saying, pay yourself first. This means that before you start spending your hard-earned money on various expenses, you should put a portion of it towards savings. This saved money can then be judiciously invested in financial avenues like stocks, bonds, or real estate. By investing your savings wisely, you enable your money to grow over time. Investing plays an important role in wealth building because it offers the opportunity for your money to work for you. It generates returns that surpass the rate of inflation, helping your wealth grow substantially. Ramsey appropriately underscores the importance of investing for your retirement. Over time, the magic of compounded returns can lead to a substantial accumulation of wealth, particularly when you invest consistently over many years. Moreover, the principle of having stores of choice food and oil serves as a symbolic reminder to set aside resources for the future. This doesn't just mean a savings account, but also building a robust emergency fund to tackle unexpected expenses. By diligently saving and making intelligent investments, you are establishing the foundations for a secure financial future. In essence, saving is the primary step towards ensuring your financial stability. It allows you to handle unexpected emergencies without resorting to credit and incurring debts. However, it doesn't stop there. The act of investing your money smartly is a vital aspect of accumulating wealth. Investments could open doors to potential growth and income over time as your money multiplies with compounded returns. Regardless of whether your financial goals revolve around retirement, home ownership, or your child's education, the safe practice of saving and investing is essential in achieving your financial aspirations. Number 5, be generous with your wealth. The fifth and final principle emphasizes the transformative power of generosity. It suggests that once you've achieved financial stability and success, the ability to give back to others becomes a significant source of joy. In simple terms, it means that when you have enough, you can make a positive impact on other people's lives. Being generous isn't just a nice thing to do. It's also a reflection of your financial security. When you're financially stable and can help others, it benefits both you and your community. It's a bit like paying it forward. When you're generous, you create a ripple effect of kindness. Ramsey highlights that generosity is more than just giving money. It's about making the world a better place. It suggests that you can become a philanthropist, someone who uses their wealth to support causes that matter to them and to help those in need. In essence, Ramsey emphasizes 5 key principles. In a nutshell, these 5 principles show a clear path to financial success. By following these principles, you can build financial stability and work towards your wealth-building goals. And that's it for the video, folks. Did you find Ramsey's principles helpful? If yes, let us know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching. Bye!